Cello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best bench grinder on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Wen Bench Grinder. Wen is known for making affordable and budget power tools of all kinds, including a bench grinder for users who are on a budget. The Wen 4276 bench grinder is present in the first position in this review as it is the cheapest option present here. Although, unlike other budget bench grinder options out there, this offers various handy things to the user. As a result, you get a high value for money with this bench grinder as it is decently powerful for a lot of users with its 6-inch grinding wheel size. It also means that the overall form factor of this bench grinder is quite small and compact. As for its electric motor, it uses a 2.1 amp electric motor that is to be expected for the given price. This motor offers a decent motor speed rating of 3,450 RPM that should be more than enough for the given grinding wheel size. That being said, its build quality could have been certainly better. Pros: affordable price tag with various features for a high value for money. Offers decent performance for a small and compact bench grinder. Easy to use controls for adjusting grinding wheel speed. Cons: average build quality. Motor could have been slightly more powerful. Number 2. Our second best pick is DEWALT Bench Grinder. DEWALT is one of the oldest brands of power tools out there that is known for making powerful and heavy-duty power tools of all sorts. DEWALT's DW758 bench grinder is present in the second position in this review as it is one of the most powerful options present in this review. This is due to the reason that it offers a highly powerful 4.2 amp electric motor for powering its grinding wheel. As a result, you get a high 3,600 RPM motor speed with this grinder wheel. And it offers this along with a large 8-inch grinding wheel size. Its build quality ensures that you can keep using it for a long time without facing any issues. Unfortunately, this bench grinder is on the larger side and quite heavy as well. It is large because of the 12.5-inch distance between its 2 grinding wheels for ergonomics and ease of use. Pros: one of the best performing bench grinder models. Offers easy-to-use controls for easily adjusting grinding wheel speeds. Powerful and efficient 4.2 amp electric motor for a proper balance. Cons: quite large and bulky bench grinder. Number 3. Our third best pick is Delta Bench Grinder. If you are familiar with powerful and heavy-duty power tools, then you must have heard about Delta Power Tools, as it also makes a highly powerful bench grinder. The Delta Power Tools 23197 bench grinder is the most powerful option present in this review. This is possible due to its large-sized grinding wheel. It uses an equally powerful electric motor for power that is rated at 5 amps. Due to this, you can go up to 3,400 RPM motor speed while using the 30 grit and 60 grit grinding wheels offered by this bench grinder that is more than enough even for industrial and heavy-duty usage. Another great thing about this bench grinder is that it is highly durable and reliable. It offers an excellent build quality that means that this bench grinder can easily last for a long time. Its inbuilt water tray allows you to use fluid coolant along with it to get proper performance without any overheating issues. Pros: best performing bench grinder present in this review. Inbuilt shield and water tray for ease of use while using coolant. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Grit could have been better. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BUCKTOOL Bench Grinder. When compared with other bench grinders and their brands mentioned in this review, BUCKTOOL is a much smaller brand that makes powerful models. BUCKTOOL's bench grinder is one of the more premium bench grinder models out there. It uses a 60 grit and a 120 grit oxide wheel that reduces heat buildup. Both of these grinding wheels have a large size of 8 inches that is more than enough for most users out there. You also get a 3.1 amp electric motor in this bench grinder that is quite similar to the Wen Bench Grinder mentioned earlier in this review. A great thing about this bench grinder is that it has various adjustment options that ensure that you move and change things as per your needs. Unfortunately, this one is nowhere as reliable as the Wen Bench Grinder. This also makes this bench grinder quite expensive when compared with similar options out there. Pros: silent and efficient 1/2 HP electric motor. Great performing 8-inch grinding wheels. Highly stable with a case aluminum base and support structure. Cons: build quality could have been much better. Highly expensive price tag for the given features. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Jet Bench Grinder. Jet is another brand of power tools that is quite small and new in comparison to others that also make similar bench grinder options. This Jet 57808 bench grinder can be a great pick for a lot of users out there who are looking for a highly powerful model. It offers a highly powerful 4.1 amp electric motor to the user that should be more than enough for most users out there. Just per its name, this electric motor powers a large 8-inch grinding wheel for optimum performance. While the build quality offered by this bench grinder is quite decent, it is slightly large and bulky, and that is something that you should keep in your mind. It uses heavy-duty cast iron construction for peace of mind. Pros: offers great performance from a 4.1 amp electric motor. Large grinding wheel for heavy-duty applications. Easy to use bench grinder with simple control scheme and options. Cons: a bit on the larger and heavier side. Slightly higher price tag. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.